Tropical Storm Melissa has formed in the Caribbean. This storm could be a huge problem for someone. Now we're talking catastrophic rainfall, big time winds, and the potential for storm surge. All from a hurricane that could sit in the same spot for several days. Now how bad is this gonna get and who's all gonna be impacted? Let's take a look right now. Okay, so the big breaking news here, guys, is Tropical Storm Melissa has officially formed in the Caribbean. This is what she looks like right now from visible satellite. The storm is lopsided right now with a lot of the convection, a lot of the showers and storms on the east side, with the west side completely being exposed. Now, where's Melissa gonna go? Well, this is the first cone that was just issued by the National Hurricane Center, and it has Tropical Storm Melissa kind of meandering into the open waters of the Caribbean, eventually starting to move north right here and becoming a hurricane by Saturday. We already have hurricane watches up for portions of Haiti, and then tropical storm watches up for basically the entire coast of Jamaica. Now, the latest hurricane models have completely different solutions, with some having Melissa taking a hard left turn into the Caribbean, and others having this take a hard right turn towards Jamaica, Haiti, and eventually Cuba. Now, it's a similar story with the European ensemble model. You'll notice as we go Thursday, Friday, you've got some models that have this pushing northeast, and then other models that have this taking a further west track. And watch as we go later in the week. We've got some very strong members down there in the Caribbean. And if our storm does take that further west track, there will be very little to zero wind shear in the Caribbean. And that is bad news. And that means our storm will strengthen big time. And that is exactly what's depicted on Google's AI model, the DeepMind. All of these pink and purple lines, guys, that is, each one of those is a different model that's saying a category 3+ major hurricane will form. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it is a possibility. Now, how's this storm going to time out, though? The next 24 to 48 hours, it's going to slowly gain strength, become a strong tropical storm by the time we go into Thursday night. But then going into Friday and then Friday night, our storm is likely to be a hurricane. And that's when we're going to see significant impacts in Jamaica, in Haiti, with wind, storm surge, and potentially major flooding. By the time it's all said and done, we could be talking about feet of rain in some spots, especially wherever that storm decides to plant itself. And look at some of these values. Kingston, Jamaica, over 2 feet. Haiti, over 2 feet. That will fall later on this week, going into this weekend. And in terms of the U.S., although the chances are low, there still is a non-zero chance that we could see some impacts in South Florida. But overall, the chances are very low to get any sort of direct impact from a hurricane in Florida. I'm talking 1 to 3% here, people. Still not impossible, but not the most likely outcome. Bottom line, guys, we've got a big storm to watch in the tropics. Stormcat 5, and I'll see you on the next one.